What's up mga bossing? And for today's video natin, ito mga bossing na ipapasilip ko sa inyo yung mga ganap namin sa dancehall session. Enjoy the clip na lang mga bossing ha.
Yo, dito pala kayo ha. Kala ko namin hindi kayo pumunta dito ha. Sheesh. Start. Uy, ninyo be. 4, 3, 2, let's go. Hey. Woo!
Miss, hay sa isang vlog.
Load ko, AJ.
Hay sa isang vlog ba? Ay na, shout out na.
Shout out,
What's up
shout
mga
out.
bossing?
Kung Junfel mo nung
Ay, kajon pili. Guys, say hi sa akong vlog.
Thank you.
Nia, say hi sa akong vlog. Hey. Say hi sa akong vlog dong. Say hi sa akong vlog dong. Say hi.
So shall I follow them to all well known. So from a gal up to date to report them. Can't keep up to the trends and report them. If I'm in the muggle inside, we not word them. But if I'm the big beauty queen with some
1 and 2. Pati nag-b-boy na sila. And 1 and 2. And 4 again. 1 and 2. And in the hands, paper bag. Oh, dahang gipalit. Ano man? Okay, let's see. Okay, big and 2 and 3. Face each other. Face each other. You try to move around. Tabi-tabi. Push and drop and pick and again. Push and
Not worth them, but they not the big beauty queen. Let's support them again, they're not sorry.
Bingo, no cheat code. Let's go. Try about and.
Hey! Hey! Let's go!
Let's go! So yung mga bossing, no, hanggang dito lang tong video natin at kita-kits sa next nating video. Peace out!
Watch more videos at Junfel Gilig YouTube channel. Mga boss, thank you for watching.